Alright, today we are on the Andaman coast, and the beach where we are at this moment is popular by the name of beach number 7. Times magazine has rated this beach as the 7th best beach in the world. Turquoise clear water, lush forests, awe-striking beauty, and it attracts huge tourism. The sunrise and sunset here are something that no other beach in the world can match. So there's a forecast for rain in a very short time, and I don't want to miss out the opportunity, alright, to imbibe the energy in this lovely beach. So I've got my yoga mat. I'm gonna try and do my 108 sun salutations over here, and if it rains, we'll figure out what to do next. It's raining. Right, we'll find another location. Okay, 41 down. It started raining on the beach, so we have to change locations. Right next to the pool, covered area, 42. Wow, that was an exciting day. We started our sun salutations on the Radha Nagar beach, beautiful property Taj Exotica Resort and Spa, and finished our sun salutations here. I've been staying here for the past few days, and I've scored a hat trick of 108 sun salutations here. Alright, so check out the link. It's gonna inspire you that no matter where you are in the world, sun salutations is such a simple and effective practice that it can just enhance the entire experience of your holiday. Alright, we'll keep working on ourselves every single day, no matter where we are in the world, with consciousness and awareness, and the goal is to make our inner self stronger and not break the sequence that connects us from one day to the other.